children, so as you know, over the past few weeks, we have been creating our volcano, and so now it's ready for the big launch. We do have someone who's going to explain the science behind it. Okay?
A volcano is a mountain which splits out hot lava. Mountain opening that erupts and when it explodes and it's so hot the lava turns into rock.
It does. That's the
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The paper and then we painted the volcano, and then we bursted it in. I had a lot of fun making it. We are making the volcano, well, exploded, and we used steps, 3 steps. First step was making the volcano. Second step was coloring it, and third step was exploding. We've got a lot of fun. I loved it. We have a blast. We scrunched the paper and we painted it, and then we used red, green, and brown paint, and the volcano exploded. Over the holidays, we came to the library and we make the volcano, and today we come to explore how lava comes out of the volcano. So, as part of the summer reading challenge, I've been reading lots of books, and I've also joined the Southall library to do a volcano eruption, and today the volcano is gonna erupt. And I also had loads of fun this summer.
We had a nice experience having here to the Southall Library. We did the big volcano and my kids had a blast and enjoying all the summer reading books from this nice program, and then at the end they will get a medal. Thank you, Southall Library.
My children during the summer reading challenge, they learn a lots of things from here. I come every day here, but every Wednesday there is a big project, it's a volcano. Every time they join, crunch paper, glue and paint on it. They all do activity here, and they also read so many books. Every year my children join summer reading challenge. They do so much fun, and they also ask me, Mama, when we'll do again summer reading challenge. They miss very much.